So if you're here right now, you probably like getting cash back on your credit cards, but I'm about to show you a way to get 4% cash back on any credit card or debit card or contactless payment method like Google Pay or Apple Pay. So that means you can get 4% cash back on top of whatever rewards or cash back you get from the card that you currently use. All that coming up. Hey everyone, if you've been trying to work on your credit and you have barely been seeing any results, you need to go ahead and take a look at the workshop that I just opened up that is currently free so that you can learn where you went wrong while you were trying to work on your credit. During that lesson, you'll learn the 4 don'ts when it comes to working on your credit, the mistakes people make when writing dispute letters, why you shouldn't only dispute with the credit bureaus, and also the accounts that people waste time disputing. Not to mention, you'll get to see real results from a customer who used my methods and they were able to get their credit straightened out and bought a brand new home within 7 months. So go ahead and sign up for that training today. The link is going to be down in the bio. And while you're trying to work on your credit, you have to see all 3 of your credit reports and scores. And My Score IQ, a company that I use for myself and for all of my customers, has a $1 7-day trial so you can see your credit reports and scores so you can know where you stand, because you can't work on your credit without knowing what's going on all 3 reports. So please check out My Score IQ. The link to them is going to be down in the description as well. Hey everybody, Will Frazier here, your credit expert, bringing you the tips you need to get your credit back on track, because what goes down must come up. And if you want your credit score to drop 150 points, make sure you like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you'll be notified of any new videos I drop just like this. So yes, today we're going to be talking about an app that you can use to actually get 4% cash back on anything that you purchase using a debit card or credit card that maybe doesn't have any cash back benefits, or one that does. So you can double up your points, or your cash back rather, or turn something that doesn't even have cash back into something that can give you cash back. The app we're talking about is Slide, and we're going to get some information on that right now. And if you want to check them out for yourself, make sure you go down to the description, click the link down there, and you can check them out for yourself. But anyway, as mentioned, earn 4% cash back instantly every day, and it is also a contactless way to pay for everyday purchases, whether they are in the store or online. Now, as you can see here, you can get this on the Apple Play Store or the Google Play Store. And again, this is an app that you use in addition to whatever your payment method is going to be, but they make it very simple and easy and seamless to use. Okay, so right here they got why you Slide, unlimited 4% cash back, no restrictions on how much you can earn. They have over 200 different brands that qualify that you can actually use this app with. As I mentioned, it works in the store or online. It's quick, easy, and contactless. Now, the most important thing is that you get real cash, not points. And you can withdraw your cash back once you have earned at least $15. You don't have to take any extra steps like scanning a receipt and trying to send it in and meeting special conditions and all of that stuff just to get these points. And you can stack the rewards, so you can connect the rewards credit card or Apple Pay, and then you can earn more points than what you would have already earned just from using that payment method. And on top of that, they give you an extra 1% cash back if you add funds in advance before you make a purchase. And right here you can see some of the partners that they have, from Uber, DoorDash, Panera, Petco, Lowe's, Under Armour, AMC Theaters, Bed Bath & Beyond, Express. So they have a lot of different partners that they work with. And this is how it works. Basically, you'll add a payment method to the app. So this is going to be the card or the transaction method that is actually going to be charged and where the money is going to be coming from. So you'll just add that into the app. It can be a credit card, a debit card, Apple Pay, Google Pay, PayPal, BitPay. It can be any of those different options for payment methods. So then you'll go shopping, and then you'll, whether you're booking travel, eating out, or just buying some shoes, whatever it may be, you're going to actually use the app, the Slide app, at checkout, and they're going to give you a barcode with some numbers on it, and you would use it basically like a gift card, except, like they say here, you won't have leftover balance. So basically you'll just use that to pay like you're paying with a gift card, and it'll end up charging that payment method that you entered. And you do have to type in the total payment amount that you're about to pay. So after you've seen what it's going to be, you know, with taxes and everything, you're going to enter in that dollar amount in the app before you actually generate this code to make the purchase. Then after you've made that purchase, you get 4% cash back instantly. You can apply that cash back towards your next transaction on Slide, or you can withdraw the earnings by Venmo or PayPal. And also, if you do this before the transaction, that is, upload a certain amount of money or transfer a certain amount of money over to the Slide app before you make the purchase, you'll actually get an extra 1% cash back. And it says that your checkout will be faster. So basically, those are all the real details about Slide. It sounds really good with the 4% cash back, the fact that you get to get it back instantly and be able to use it after you've accumulated about $15, and you're just, you know, using this app to make regular purchases that you would already have been making, but now you can double up on cash back points, and of course that's more money in your pocket. So of course that's a benefit for you. And again, you can get this on the Apple Store and the Google Play Store. So go down to the description, click the link down there so you can go ahead and check this out. It is of no cost to you, of course, so it only benefits you to try to use this. If you have used Slide before, make sure you leave a comment down below to let us know what you think of it or how it's been helpful to you. And I hope this video has been helpful to you guys, and I'll see you guys next time.